Well, here's our blizzard with 7 inches of snow. It's my car. Totally covered. It's really powdery. I'm walking at Chloe and Karen and Courtney and Jade's apartment. God. This is so crazy. It's too powdery to do anything with though. Can't even make a snowman or anything. I just dropped the camera. Good thing for that little thing that goes around your wrist. People are driving crazy. This is really slippery. It's kind of frozen. The road, it's like 25 degrees, so things are completely hidden. Bushes are covered. Oh, this is craziness. Okay, I think you've seen enough of our blizzard. Bye.